patient. Gonna do a little upgrade here. Little TLC. Gonna do some painting. And toilet here is need a replacing. I think we'll keep the light fixture, but we'll have to take it down to paint. And I think we're going to put in maybe a light or two in the ceiling. So this is the patient. This is what we got to work with. Let's see if we can give it like a 5-day makeover. Alright, that's it for now. Pretty much our rehab of our bathroom that we started around the end of November, and we finished it up like about a couple days ago. Still got some quarter round to do, but it's an awesome transformation. Total cost was about $1,300. So here we are today to unveil our bathroom rehab. Just doing my normal thinking man stuff, but now I'm going to get into my Vanna White persona. And let's see what's behind door number 1. There it is. There is the new shower that's been repainted, or whatever they call it. They painted over the tile and the old tub, and looks brand new. Cost about $425 for that. They did a great job. We changed a lot of the hardware. Still got to put our shower head in. But we also got a new Kohler toilet, and it is a beauty. it's got the power flush. So it's 1.6 gallon per flush, and it's got the power flush system. So there you go. It really goes. I'll give you guys see how powerful it is. Oh, it almost took me down with it. So there you go, and a lot of these fixtures I just painted over them because we don't use this bathroom that much. So a $5 can of paint has done wonders to the old dated chrome fixtures, but they turned out nice. I got a little touch-up painting I need to do. I need to do the quarter round, but there's the new floor. It looks wonderful. Floor was a couple $100. So it is our new rehab bathroom. All for under $1,300, folks. Money well spent. That's it. Hey guys, there's one tip I wanted to give you out of this project. It's this little doohickey here. So any of you weekend warriors messing around with toilets, and you got those wax rings that you got to deal with, and they're messy. Especially if you want to install a toilet, maybe take it out later if you're going to do some other rehab. This is the best thing since sliced bread. It's called Better Than Wax. It's basically a rubber gasket that goes on instead of the wax ring. It even has an extender in it. I didn't need the extender. I just used the normal piece there. So it's a couple of bucks, maybe $3-4 at Menards or Maynards as we call it. So here's a great tip. Quit messing around with those wax rings, and this is actually, you can install the toilet, take it out, put it back in without even changing it. So this is a great product. Look for it in your local hardware store. Better Than Wax.